on the topic of insurance, what would you recommend during this time people put into place to protect their business, whether it's on the cyber side or just the remote side?
I mean, insurance-wise, all businesses have cyber risk, and every business should have some sort of cyber coverage. So, and it's impossible for us to determine just this is the number everybody at least should have. You got to have something. And again, it's just a quick conversation. What are you doing? Let's think through your exposure. Where's your risks? And then how can we put insurance in place to protect you? So when something happens, insurance is responding instead of you paying out of pocket. And it's not expensive. I mean, for the most part, most businesses would be shocked how inexpensive it is and how easy it would be them to afford the insurance protection they need.